Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom surrounded by forests and rivers, there lived a wise king known for his far-sighted mind. He knew that a kingdom is not strong merely because of its walls or soldiers, but because of the courage, kindness, and determination of its people. One morning, the king called his sons to his side and said, "Today, I will teach you a lesson that no book ever could." He handed them a small, empty wooden chest and continued, "This chest contains a secret, but you will only see its value if you understand the path to it." Curious and eager, the princes followed their father as he led them to the main road that connected the villages. There, the king placed a thick, twisted vine across the path. It wasn't large, but its roots were tangled deep into the ground, making it almost impossible to move. First came the merchants, bustling with their carts full of goods. They stopped at the vine, frowned, and said, "Who allows this mess on the road? Why can't anyone keep it clear?" They cursed loudly, rearranged their carts carefully to pass, but none attempted to untangle the vine. Then villagers walked by, mothers carrying baskets of food, children skipping along. They paused and whispered prayers, thinking it was a test of fate. They stepped carefully around it, leaving the vine untouched. Hours passed. The sun glowed orange over the horizon. Then came a young scholar, carrying scrolls and books. He inspected the vine, murmured to himself about the inefficiency of others, and rushed off to find the king. He acted with caution, not courage. Finally, as twilight approached, an old gardener appeared. His hands were rough from years of tending the king's gardens, and his back ached from labor. Yet he looked at the vine and thought, "If I leave it here, travelers might fall. I must do something." He put down his worn basket and began carefully loosening the roots with his hands. His fingernails tore, his arms trembled, and sweat poured down his face. Still, he did not give up. Slowly, with patient determination, he freed the vine from the ground and moved it aside. And then something unexpected happened. Beneath the vine lay a small mound of soil. Nestled inside was a tiny golden seed, shining as if touched by the sun itself. The gardener picked it up in awe. At that moment, the king descended from his tower and approached him with a warm smile. "This seed," said the king, "represents opportunity. Many saw the obstacle, but only you acted. Only you understood your responsibility." He handed the gardener the wooden chest. "These are your reward for courage, perseverance, and service to others." Turning to his sons, the king said, "Obstacles in life are not meant to stop us. They are the hidden opportunities waiting for those who act when others hesitate. True strength is measured not by wealth or fame, but by courage, responsibility, and action." The princes looked at the gardener and then at the chest, understanding dawning in their eyes. And as they watched him walk home under the setting sun, they knew this was a lesson no scroll or scholar could ever teach. Remember, when life places obstacles in your path, don't curse them, don't ignore them, and don't wait for someone else. Move them yourself, because what lies beneath might just change your life forever. Did this story inspire you? Don't wait, face your obstacles today. Share this story with someone who needs courage, and comment below how you'll take action in your own life.